If you think living to 100 is just luck or genetics, you're about to see why that's not true. Because hidden inside your body right now is a powerful system that can clean, repair, and even protect you from serious diseases. But most people unknowingly keep it turned off every single day. And what's shocking is that some of the longest living people in the world have been activating this system for decades without complicated diets, expensive supplements, or extreme workouts. Here's where it gets interesting. The secret isn't something you add to your life. It's something you stop doing. Because the moment you give your body the right conditions, it switches into a completely different mode. One where damaged cells are broken down, toxins are cleared out, and stronger, healthier cells take their place. This process is called autophagy, and it may be one of the most important discoveries in modern health science. But here's the part most people miss. Your body doesn't activate this system all the time. In fact, your daily habits may be blocking it right now. Every late-night snack, every constant meal, every time you eat without giving your body a break, you may be shutting down the very process designed to keep you healthy as you age. Let me explain how this works in the simplest way possible. Think of your body like a house that never gets cleaned. Over time, waste builds up, broken parts pile in corners, and things slowly stop working the way they should. Autophagy is your body's cleaning crew. It identifies damaged cells, removes them, and recycles what's useful to rebuild stronger tissue. Without it, your system becomes cluttered, inflamed, and vulnerable to disease. Now here's the surprising part. This cleaning system becomes most active when you're not eating. Not when you're following a perfect diet, not when you're constantly fueling your body, but when you allow it to rest from digestion. And that's where the first powerful habit comes in, one that has been quietly practiced in Japan for generations. The first habit is simple, but it goes against everything modern eating culture teaches. Give your body a daily break from food. This is what many people now call intermittent fasting, but in reality, it's not new at all. For decades, older generations in Japan naturally created long gaps between meals, often finishing dinner early and not eating again until the next morning. At first, this might sound uncomfortable. But here's what happens inside your body when you do this. After several hours without food, your system stops focusing on digestion and shifts into repair mode. Your metabolism begins to change, antioxidant levels increase, and most importantly, autophagy starts to activate. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This isn't just about weight loss. Research shows that these fasting periods can actually improve how your body produces energy, reduce internal stress, and support long-term cellular health. In other words, you're not just burning fat, you're renewing your system from the inside out. And yet, most people never experience this. Why? Because they never allow enough time between meals. A snack here, a drink there, something small before bed, it all adds up, keeping the body stuck in constant digestion mode. The result? The cleanup process never fully begins. Now, before you think this requires extreme discipline, there's something even simpler that might surprise you. The second habit is not about when you eat, but how much you eat. And this single change has been linked to some of the longest lifespans ever recorded. It's a concept practiced in Okinawa, one of the world's most famous longevity regions. The principle is simple. Stop eating before you feel full. Not stuffed, not satisfied to the maximum, but at around 80%. This might sound small, but the impact is massive. Here's why this matters. When you consistently eat until you're completely full, your body is forced to work harder, digest longer, and store more energy than it needs. Over time, this creates stress inside your system. But when you stop just before fullness, something different happens. Your body processes food more efficiently, your energy levels stay stable, and you naturally reduce the burden on your metabolism. And here's the hidden benefit most people don't realize. Eating slightly less doesn't just help with weight. It creates the perfect environment for your body to shift back into repair mode sooner. That means more time for autophagy, more time for recovery, and less internal strain. But there's something even deeper behind this habit. People who live the longest don't just eat less, they eat with awareness. They slow down, they pay attention, and they stop before excess becomes damage. Now think about this for a moment. What if the reason so many people feel tired, inflamed, or sluggish isn't just what they eat, but the constant overload their body never gets a break from? What if the real problem isn't lack of nutrition, but lack of recovery time? Because when you combine these two habits, giving your body time without food and avoiding overeating, you create a powerful cycle. Your body gets time to repair, clean, and rebuild itself every single day. And over years, that adds up in ways you can't see immediately, but you will feel. And this is just the beginning. Because what you eat during your eating window also plays a critical role, and the next part might surprise you even more. There are specific types of foods that don't just fuel your body, they actually support this internal repair system at a deeper level. And once you understand that, everything about how you approach food and health starts to change. Before you take your next bite of food, you need to hear this. Because even if you're fasting correctly, even if you're eating less, one wrong food choice can quietly shut down your body's most powerful repair system. And most people have no idea it's happening. Here's the truth. Autophagy is not just controlled by when you eat. It's heavily influenced by what you eat. And this is where things get dangerous. Because some foods help your body clean and repair itself, while others completely block that process, even if you think they're healthy. Now, this is where it gets interesting. There's a pattern seen in long-living populations, especially in Japan. Their meals are not just smaller. They are strategically lighter, easier to digest, and designed to support the body instead of overwhelming it. And once you understand this, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. Let's start with something simple, but powerful. How you break your fast matters more than you think. After hours without food, your body is in a sensitive, highly responsive state. If you overload it with heavy, processed, or sugary foods, you instantly push it out of repair mode. But if you ease into eating, something completely different happens. One effective approach is starting with a light, liquid-based intake, something gentle that wakes up your system without shocking it. Fresh vegetable or fruit juices, especially carrot or apple-based, provide quick nutrients while remaining easy to digest. They hydrate your body, deliver antioxidants, and prepare your digestive system for what comes next. But here's the part most people get wrong. They drink too much, too fast. When you consume large amounts immediately, your blood sugar spikes, and that spike can interrupt the very benefits you just created. A smarter approach is to start small, just a little, and give your body time to respond before adding anything else. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Pairing light nutrients with healthy fats, like a few nuts or a small amount of natural oil, can slow absorption, stabilize your energy, and prevent sudden crashes. This keeps your body balanced instead of swinging between highs and lows. But don't miss this. What you drink during fasting periods also matters. Many people unknowingly sabotage their progress with hidden sugars or artificial drinks. Instead, simple options like unsweetened tea with natural ingredients can support digestion, circulation, and overall metabolic balance without disrupting the process. And here's something most people never consider. The real power isn't just in one superfood, it's in the overall pattern of how you eat. Long-living populations don't rely on extreme diets. They rely on consistency, simple, whole foods eaten in a way that reduces stress on the body. Think about this for a moment. If your meals are heavy, processed, and constant, your body never gets a break. It's always working, always digesting, always overloaded. But when your meals are lighter, cleaner, and spaced out, your body finally gets the time it needs to repair itself. This is why plant-focused, whole foods play such a critical role. Vegetables, legumes, natural sources of protein, and unprocessed grains provide nutrients without overwhelming your system. They support digestion, reduce inflammation, and create the internal environment your body needs to function at its best. Now here's the hidden danger. Refined sugar and ultra-processed foods. These don't just add calories, they create rapid spikes in insulin, disrupt your metabolic balance, and directly interfere with your body's ability to enter repair mode. Even small amounts consumed regularly can keep your system locked out of autophagy. And this is where most people fail without realizing it. They fast, but then break it with the wrong foods. They eat healthy, but overload their system with constant snacking. They think they're helping their body, but they're actually preventing it from ever resetting. So here's the shift you need to make. Eat less often, eat lighter, choose foods your body can process easily. And most importantly, give your system time to do what it was designed to do: clean, repair, and rebuild. Because once you get this right, something changes. Your energy stabilizes, your body feels lighter, your mind becomes clearer. And over time, the effects compound in ways that are impossible to ignore. But there's still one piece most people completely overlook. Even if you fix your eating pattern, even if you choose the right foods, there's a daily habit that can either accelerate everything you've learned or quietly undo it. And once you see it, you'll realize it's been part of your routine all along. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you are one of the few people who actually cares enough about their health to listen to the truth. And that alone puts you ahead of 99% of people your age. So here is what I need you to do right now. Hit that subscribe button before you forget, because I put out new videos every single week breaking down the exact habits, foods, and mindset shifts that the world's longest living people use to stay young. Do not just watch this one and walk away. Become part of this community. And while you are down there, click on the video that is popping up on your screen right now. It is the one I specifically picked for you to watch next. And I promise you, it will change the way you think about aging even more than this one did. Go ahead, click it. I will see you in the next video.